Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ailey. If you're new, today's video looks a bit different, doesn't it? We're testing this out. So this is the Loving Tan 2-Hour Express Deluxe Bronzing Mousse. I've never used Loving Tan before, and they came out with this and it basically works in 2 hours. This is Monday and it's my second day off in the week and I don't have time to fake tan anymore. It's annoying to say the least. So we are going to try this out and we're going to do it for the 2 hours. So it says made by tan lovers for tan lovers. Loving Tan 2-Hour Express Mousse. It gives you natural looking tan within minutes. The salon inspired formula provides you with an immediate colour while developing into a deeper darker tan which can be washed off after 2 hours. The colour guide technology ensures easy streak free application every time, both quick drying and deliciously fragrant. So I have a mitt here. It's Saint Tropez, but it is, I don't even think I've ever used it. It is completely clean. Usually I start with my legs, but you can't really see my legs. So once I get up to sort of like my midsection, I'll angle the camera down and let you see the application process. But yeah, let's just give this a go. So the difference between this and most other tans is you can wash it off after 2 hours. Normally if you wash a tan off after 2 hours, you're only going to get sort of like a medium. The 4 hours is the quickest I've seen for like dark, actually going like properly to its full potential. So this will be interesting. So arm before. It's got a really good guide colour. I've not done the hand yet because I don't do that until I've done the other arm, and I use like the bits that are left. Then with the last little bits, it might feel like it's almost dry on the mitt when I get, just put it over like a coloured hand. I'm going to use this one for my face. See, so I'm going to give it 2 hours and then I will be back once I've washed it off to show you what it looks like. Okay, I will see you in 2 hours. It's been 2 hours. Maybe I should have rinsed my face. So I can't wait to see what this looks like rinsed off. Okay, so I'm fresh out of the shower. And this is what we have. I'm just sticking on some moisturiser. Obviously you wash off your guide colour and you pretty much lose most of the colour. Well, I say most of the colour, I was pretty much see-through by this point. You lose a lot of the colour, and then it develops. It continues to develop. I suppose what I'll do is now I will leave this video open until tomorrow and I'll see what it looks like tomorrow. Obviously, don't mind me, I look like a crazy person. But this is the next day. It's not insane. I don't know if I would say it's ultra dark. Maybe you can wear it longer and make it darker, but like this is about how dark I would get with U-Tan's one wearing it for 4 hours. So I suppose it does seem about right. I like the colour that it's made my face go because it's quite a natural colour. It does look a little bit sort of, I don't know, the camera's making it look a little bit funny, but it's a really nice even shade. Even application. My hands, borderline I would say. After a couple of washes I'll be fine. It's just a wee bit knuckly. This hand's probably better. It's probably just my application, but I mean, not bad. I like the fact that it's made my face lighter, although I have just washed my face. I would probably use this and do the method where I do my hands with another product because it's more the application technique that's better with the other product kind of thing, because with the mitt you can't really control how much you're putting on. You do kind of struggle a little bit. So I'm just getting ready for the day to go to work, and I thought that I would hop on and tell you how it was. One major upside with it was there wasn't really a smell. I normally with UTAN is my favourite tan. The fact that, I mean, I would still be smelling it off myself just now. Like, the smell of it's really nice, but the fake tan smell that you get lingers for ages, and I don't smell like that. I really like that. Like, I really like that. Like, I get people coming into my work and stuff like that self-tan, that smell like fake tan. Luckily, I like that smell, so it's not really like a problem, but like if you don't want other people to smell it, it can be a bit of an issue. So yeah, if you want a tan that doesn't smell like fake tan, especially after you wash it off, this might be for you. And obviously the fact that you only have to wear it for 2 hours and this is the colour you get. I'm going to insert a photo of me before and a photo of, well, what I look like now. And now I actually have time to do it as well, seeing as I only have to wear it for 2 hours. So, because obviously I'm kind of busy at the weekends. So, obviously, if you enjoyed this video, I would love it if you would give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And hopefully I will see you guys in my next video. If there's anything else that you want me to review as well, let me know. I'll put it on the screen. It'll probably been on the screen earlier how much this is as well. But if there's anything else that you think I should review, let me know in the comment section below. Bye!